Unboxing time, here we go. Instructions about the pen, the knife, which won't open everything up, but contains blade, scissors, nail file with nail cleaner, cuticle pusher, screwdriver with ruler, emergency blade / letter opener, orange peeler with scraper, cap lifter with magnet, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, key ring, tweezers, and ballpoint pen. Obviously a very handy tool that would be of much help day to day. I'm sure that you'll find some uses. I have already in my short ownership already used the scissors and can open it, so yeah, I'll probably start collecting these kind of things. They're very, very cool. All right, see ya.